trying to find the best setting.
No, you're so dumb. I am dumb.
No, I'm not. Derek, we should have told him to bring the camera.
My lollipop.
Alright, ready? Here we go. Alright, item 1. You have this. It's not going to factor, so we can't use the dream method.
Move over the constant.
Okay? So we want to complete the square. What was step 1?
Move over the constant.
Move the constant over. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Still with me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm leaving a space as well. I will fill that space in a minute. Okay? Next step. What's the next step?
Oh, you need to get rid of the...
Right. We don't want to have our lead coefficient to have be anything other than 1. So I'm going to divide everything by what?
3.
3. And why am I choosing to divide?
Because they're being held together by multiplication.
Right. Right now, 3 and x squared are being held together by the multiplication property. So when I'm doing multiplication, you should divide. Okay? So I'm going to divide everything by 3. Okay? Reduce where you can. This is the only place that's going to reduce. So I'm going to get x squared plus 8 over 3x, leave a space, equals 4 over 3. Don't make up decimals. Don't make them mixed numbers. Okay? Still with me? Next step, right underneath this, I'm going to put x, this sign here is going to stay the same. X plus a quantity squared. Okay? I want to take half of a fraction. So we talked. How do I take half of a fraction?
You have to multiply the
Multiply
bottom
what?
one by 2.
Multiply the denominator by 2. If you want to double a fraction, multiply the denominator by 2. Multiply the denominator by 2. What do I get if I multiply the denominator by 2?
8 over 6.
8 over 6. Now you can reduce it. It's okay if you don't. Make that 8 over 6. Still with me?
Yes.
Now, if it does reduce, let's just write right down here. 8 over 6 reduces to what?
4 over 3.
4 over 3. Now let's fill the space. So all this is from here to here is I reduced. Okay?
So now
All right? 4 over 3 squared. 4 over 3 times 4 over 3 is
16 over 9.
16 over 9. Still with me?
Yes.
4 over 3. So 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to add 16 over 9 to that side. Have I completed the square?
No.
No.
Yes, I have. This is my now. This right here is the complete square. Okay, that is a complete square trinomial. So if I were to FOIL this or this, either one out, because this is the reduce of this. If I FOIL either of those out, I would get what I have on the left side of here. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and take care of, we're just going to put an arrow so we know to come down here. Let's add these together. Can I use my fancy way to add on this one?
Yes.
Yes. 4 times 9 is 36 plus 16 times 3 is 48 over 3 times 9, which is 27. Do the addition. 6 plus, let's just do that, 14, 84 over 27. 84 over 27, is it going to reduce?
No.
Let's see, what numbers go into 84? Here, watch this. Here's a neat thing. If you don't have one of these calculators, 84 divided by 27. Watch this. Ready? Still with me? Hit enter. It gives you a decimal. Still with me? You hit math. Enter. Fraction goes back. 28 over 9 is the reduced fraction of 84 over 27. Boy, I wish I had that feature when I was a kid. So 28 over 9 is the exact same fraction as 84 over 27. It's just the reduced one. Okay? So I'm going to put 28 over 9 right there. Okay? What's next?
Square it.
Not square it. Square root. I'm going to take the square root of this side, and I'm going to take the square root of this side. If I take the square root of the side that has numbers, what do I need in front? Plus or minus. Okay, let's bring this up here. So, x plus 4/3 quantity squared, square root of it. The square root and the square are gone. So I have x plus 4 over 3 is equal to the plus or minus, the square root of 28, I don't know right off the top of my head, so I'm just going to leave it root 28. Okay, maybe we could reduce it down.
3.
Okay, over 3. Okay? Now, I know that I could break 28 down. I'm going to break 28 down to 4 times 7. What do I know about 4? What do I know about 4?
It's a perfect.
Square root. What's the square root of 4?
2.
2. So I get 2 root 7 over 3. You see what I just did?
Yes.
Now I'm going to subtract 4/3 from both sides. And here's my answer. Let's bring that up. X is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 2 square root 7 all over 3. You're done.